This is a demonstration of a talking picture. Notice it is a picture of me and I am talking. Note that my lips and the sound issuing from them are synchronized together in perfect unison. Since the earliest days of the cinema, the concept of producing sound has been one of the greatest challenges facing man. Now, in true pioneering tradition, that moment has arrived. My voice is recorded on a record and so connected to the mechanism of the projection machine as to run simultaneously with the unreeling of the film. A talking picture. Thank you. Goodbye.